Someone sent me a link of Jack saying that he made $10,000 his first year working for me. And people are like, Graham only paid Jack $10,000 for the whole year. And they're taking this clip really, and Jack's over here. They're taking this clip so out of context.
Graham offered to pay me. And I've mentioned this when I say that I got paid nothing in the beginning and then very little for that first year. He offered to pay me more. I said no, because I wanted to establish more partner-like relationship. And people were upset that he didn't pay me very much. And then if I earn a lot more, people are upset I'm earning a lot. I was very happy with the amount of money I was making, but I was miserable for other circumstances. It had no correlation whatsoever to the amount of money.
But during the time you were miserable, you were making over six figures.
Yeah, for sure. And I was super happy when I was making no money at all. And also, like I said, he offered to pay me more, but I denied it. That's on me.
To some of you, it might be very strange that this young man was happy with such a small compensation working for one of the most successful financial YouTubers in the world, Graham Stephan. But this kind of long-term thinking, not chasing instant gratification, is what got him where he is. Because instead of becoming an employee, he worked his way up to becoming a partner and getting equity in the podcast, which became one of the most successful financial podcasts in the world, the Iced Coffee Hour. So giving more than you take in the early stages can turn out to be a genius move in the long term.